Hey y'all, so I got this fan a while back. Obviously you can see that it's been loved, and it's a little dusty because I use it regularly near my laser for one, and two, I just haven't cleaned it. First things first, I love the versatility. Anyway, so it's light, it's small, you can see. And it's pretty powerful. So the little feet are rubber here, so you can do it here. Obviously it's got the hinge. I do it sideways sometimes too to get a better angle on the smoke off my laser. It's kind of messy right now, but anyway. So, and it has 4 settings, I think. This like light, medium, high, or low, medium, high, and then I think it's called like natural wind, so it varies. Anyway, so we'll turn it on, and when it's charging or about to die, it will have a light here. So that's 1, or low. 2. So see, it's flashing because I haven't charged it in a while because I've been on vacation with Christmas and blah, blah, blah. So I haven't been, but you can use it while you have it plugged in if you need to. Moving the curtains there, and we'll do high. So it's not a super loud fan, but it does have a light noise. I'm trying to like blow on stuff so y'all can see. So that's high, and that's a really thick like macrame thing. It is like moving it a little bit. Moving those tags over there. Anywho. So, and then that's the variable speed. So it's light, and then like it'll increase and decrease. Kind of trying to mimic the wind. And then the last one is off, and you can also hold it like if I just was back on 1, so instead of clicking through all the things, just long hold, and it turns it off too. And it takes this C charger. Anyway, great little fan.
All right. This is the JISULIFE fan. I thought the design looked really nice, but in fact, it's abhorrent, and I can't believe they designed it like this. The power button is here, tucked behind here. So if you have even slightly larger fingers, and mine, you know, I have a bit of a fat thumb, but it's just really inconveniently placed. You can imagine in the middle of the night, it's very hard to access that or find it, feel around. It's really not all that stable. Like even if you put it up, you know, I mean 90 degrees, it still can't, you know, it's still too top heavy to stand up, right? So anyway, not great. And then the worst part, in fact, is when you turn it on. Again, desk fan, maybe you use it to sleep at night, and here's what you get to listen to. Does that sound like something you want to sleep next to the entire night? No.
That's what does it when I lift it up. And this is the lowest setting too. Pretty bad. Even worse. That's the highest setting. Yeah, yikes. And even if you lift it up, same. Still loud. Yeah, I know. Ooh, it's like shaking too. Like shaking the whole thing. A little vibrating.